Welcome to this short film by the TOPNES collaboration. We are a group of scientists working at universities around the world who are trying to understand the behaviour of new types of materials. Our world is governed by materials, and solid materials have a wide variety of properties. Metals conduct electricity easily, while insulators don't. Semiconductors are in between and are crucial for modern technologies. Some, like iron, are naturally magnetic, but others are not at all. So, what makes this variety possible? The different behaviour of electrons in solids. One thing we would like to measure about electrons in materials is their topological properties. Indeed, the T in TOPNES stands for topological. In this video, we are going to tell you a bit about what that means. Topological properties are global properties of objects, which cannot be determined locally. For example, you can't tell from the surface whether you're on a donut or a sphere. But nonetheless, the hole in the middle makes the donut different from the sphere. Even if two shapes are very different, like this coffee cup and this donut, we say that they are topologically equivalent if they can be smoothly transformed into each other. Similarly, we can smoothly transform between a cube, a pyramid, and a sphere. The sphere and the donut, however, are topologically distinct. There is no smooth transformation that turns one into the other. Like our scientist here, you might think, why can't I just make a hole in the sphere? But that's not allowed, because the transformation isn't smooth. It was discovered recently that the electrons inside materials can also exist in different topologically distinct states. This has dramatic consequences. For example, we can run electrical currents at the surfaces of these materials, which cannot be reduced or destroyed, even when the material becomes dirty or damaged. Here at TOPNES, we study these new materials by doing calculations and by performing experiments. This deepens our understanding of the natural world, and it could also help us to discover new materials or to lay the foundations for the next generation of computer technology. Scientists, in fact, use many types of complex machines like these to look at building blocks at the scale of single atoms and electrons. The aim of our research is to study the atoms and electrons in materials to understand why they have the properties they do, so that one day we can make a material with any property we would like to have. Imagine making a material which you can write on and tastes as good as chocolate. There would be much less waste paper. If we've got you interested and you'd like to know more, here's what to do. Do you already know a bit about physics? Then check out these videos, which have been made with you in mind. Looking for a simpler introduction to what we do? Then have a look at these. For details of our research and public engagement activities, here's a link to the TOPNES website. Thanks for watching.